Rogers TV cutting out? Let's diagnose the problem. Outages typically stem from signal drops, Wi-Fi interference, or HDMI issues. Signal drops can be due to weak cable signals, electromagnetic interference, or faulty splitters. Wi-Fi problems often involve interference from household devices on the 2.0 GHz band or router overload, especially with DOCSIS 4.0 modems during peak times. HDMI failures usually involve handshake protocols, mismatched resolutions, or loose connections. First, check all cable connections are secure and not damaged. Next, try moving your Wi-Fi router away from other electronic devices that could cause interference, like microwaves. Finally, ensure your HDMI cable is version 2.0 or higher and properly connected. Let's dive deeper into fixes for each. Let's tackle each issue individually. For signal drops, ensure your cable's signal strength is above -10 dBm. Check for damaged or loose cable connections and consider replacing old splitters. Rogers has been rolling out hybrid fiber coaxial (HFC) network upgrades and error correction algorithms, potentially reducing dropouts by up to 40% in urban areas. For Wi-Fi issues, use Rogers Wi-Fi 7 compatible modems or a Wi-Fi 6E mesh system to eliminate dead zones. Reduce interference by moving your router or switching to the 5 GHz band. For HDMI problems, ensure your HDMI cable is version 2.1 for 4K content and try using CEC Consumer Electronics Control settings. Rogers offers free HDMI 2.1 upgrade kits to subscribers with older setups. As a last resort, contact Rogers support for node upgrades or further assistance.